Thank you so much. We're back on Apex TV UG. You can subscribe on our YouTube channel right about now. I'm at Discount Hotel with the Edwiz dances. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you, Apex TV? This is your boy Edwiz dances. Your girl's favorite dancer. Your favorite dancer.
Your girl's favorite dancer?
Of course, everyone's girlfriend. I like every girlfriend's favorite dancer.
Really?
Go in a girlfriend. I'm your favorite dancer. Who is your favorite dancer?
Ataina boyfriend, totally favorite dancer.
I'm your favorite dancer.
Every girl's favorite dancer. And how long have you been doing this? How long have you been dancing?
It has been a long time, a very great experience. I think I started 2016, 2015 there. That's when I started being serious on it, like being a career. But I started going back from church. Tandikira mu church obimanyi nengamba ekiri commercial, like to get money to earn from it and to take it as a career. 2016, 17, 16 there.
Ekintu kino kikola nga okyagala or you had to go through some training?
I didn't go through any training.
It's just a talent.
It's just a talent. It's God given. Nkyagala nnyo era kindi munze ensonga kulwaki nze mu bulamu buno obwensi everything I have, it is because of dance. Everything I have. Tewali kye najja mu bakazi. Grenade.
Even I am gonna go to omulese.
Chakaya ddala. Sina kye najja mu bakazi, sina kintu kyonna. Sina kirala kyonna kye nkola. Okujjako amazina era ensonga kulaki abawala bandekawo nnyo kubanga ku makya nkera mu rehearsals, ekiro performances, ate omanya amazina obeera okwoye, so ensonga kulaki bandekawo nnyo ne izero.
Okuzina kuno, it's like sort of an exercise, what I should call it. Don't you usually get like injuries? How long does it take you to heal? What's the process?
We do really get injuries because bintu by'amaanyi na bwongo, we do get injuries. Naye ndozo to recover like for 2 weeks, not daku dance floor. Yeah.
Okay, so this is your entire team? Oba wali abalala abatasobodde kujemba?
Edwiz Dance Company signed 50 dancers. 50. I do have 50 dancers. So, chisinzira ku gig, chisinzira ku event. So if they tell us that because we contracted to dance for John Black for his concert, so I came with a few. Nenga tuli banji, mulimu abawala, mulimu banji. Mulimu abawala, yeah. Era omuntu yenna nga alina gig nga yagala Edwiz dances, nga yagala abawala be bali. I have over 20 girls and over 25 girls, then the managerial body. Yeah.
Okay, so should we say that what you carried to Mbara is cream la cream or what are you now, Mr. Sola?
No, it is not the cream, if betufuna omulimu. Of course, the two na gig Edwiz Dance Company is working somewhere else. Kati nze nkwata nengamba kati mwe mugende no mwe wali oguno omulimu no wali oguno omulimu kati ogwetagisa ddala face ya Edwiz, it's where I go. Okitegeera nti John Black contracted Edwiz okumuzinira, so sisi wamusindikira abantu nesibaako kitegeera. So that's why I'm here. I'm in Barara, and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Please tell us what you love about dancing, what attracted you, what connection do you have with him as a person, please?
Yo Mbalala, this is your boy Eko de Ganga. I'm an artist. Ndi muyimbi. Kane Edwiz twava daga tukola wamu.
Kuva buto?
Si kuva buto.
Kuva emabegako?
Kuva emabegako. Ne musinkana ne tufuuka ba Luganda.
Gamba si business. Mwina one friendship about?
Yes.
Okay, chakabi. Omulala?
Nze bamutadi Banzdi. So nze benalaba Edwiz namulaba ng'omuntu ow'enjawulo, okitegeera. I know agenda akala okuntuusa, okitegeera. Because I want to be famous, okitegeera. era nga kyenjagala mbeere musajja w'amaanyi era omusajja oyo mwagala nnyo.
Then these are the other people.
Hey everyone, it's your boy Mavo Kampala, official stylist.
Mavo Kampala. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have.
Fashion stylist, the most expensive stylist in Uganda.
He's the official stylist.
Yeah, I was contracted to style John Black for all the Airbus concert and the tours.
So you're the one dressing him for tonight?
Yeah, every concert and every trip.
Nzikiriza tuyombe nawe ne John Black after this interview.
Ataraji tuyomba.
I never fezed.
Laba feda kunsonga chiova.
No, not that. I'll explain after the interview.
Okay, no worries then we can.
So you also dance?
No, I'm not a dancer. I'm a fashion stylist, creative stylist. Yeah, that's my specialist.
Okay, that's very good. How do you find it?
I find it cool because everywhere we've been, the audience has been accepting John Black, the audience has been vibing with John Black, and the audience has been vibing with every kind of creativity at the concert. So I find everything so awesome.
Okay, that's good. Then the last one?
Yo, Gavin Beat dancers. Yo, chilling out with Edwiz dancers.
Edwiz, mbade nja kubuzayo chisemba. How do you get to collect such like the entire team?
It's okay that class attracts class.
Tuleke mnawe. Omuntu samusikano gamba this is it.
No, so musinkana nero mbani nozoka nenda ba imberazo. Kisegera. Bwe bazitujjamo, it's okay. Bwe batazitujjamo of course into buli omu because abantu bangi abavubuka bangi abagala okuzina ne Edwiz out there. Singa nali collecting buli omu singa ndoza na over 1,000 and millions, but waliwo betwetaaga ngolo binetaga nganze Edwiz in my company. First of all, it is talent. Second, passion. Omanyi passion drives everything. Omuntu waba akyagala ajagamba tugende mbala tugenda performing, okay, nalinye motoka natandika okujja kitegera. So passion okubanga akyagala in rehearsals nga like availability weri nga olina okubeera mu rehearsals every time we get be like, because if kati otulaba twarehearsinga dda routines zetugenda okukola ku Christmas ate ku Christmas tulina over a lot of gigs like okitegeera, so twabirehearsinga dda, so availability enkulu. No, that's why
Are you sure? You can practice something for December.
Kambuzen. How do you earn? How do you get your living? Like how do you live?
Personally, I'm a presenter. I'm actually into the entertainment industry. It's different for me. With me, it's just talent. Not everybody can do this. There's second of scripting or something. It just comes into my head and boom, I have it out.
So, it's your talent. You're the best. You have it. You own it. So we own it too. We can rehearse. Netugamba eno routine ya December nga 25 netutekamu ku nnyimba eziriko mu mix netugamba kati eno routine tutekemu party after party tutekemu tell me your Rafik family I get. Yeah, so that's it. It's all about owning you, like Nogamba. Me, I'm Edwiz, I'm a dancer. I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this, and I live out this.
Shemanyi abantu bokola nabo bavubuka bato, they are the youth. Abavubuka, they're not very easy people to work with. That's what I know. True. You do drugs, you're sex addicts, you do very many things. How do you get to keep with them?
First of all, profile, personality. Ebiragalagala njaga n'ebiranze by'essima kwanza sina kyenkozesa tebikirizibwa. Tokkiriza babikozese mu biseera byabwe eby'eddembe. Basobola obikozesa because omuntu togenda mufuga 24/7. Naye if it is work, it is work. If it is rehearsals, kujjako masimu oba kuteeka mu flight mode masimu oba kuteeka mu silent. Tukola rehearsals bwe tumala amasimu ne gaddako naye nogenda nokola ebyo ate bwe tuba tulinayo gig, of course so agenda ku stage ng'otagala omanyi amazina tekulinga kuyimba. Okuyimba omuntu amala oyimba oluyimba after okuluyimba mu studio kyaluzaako aza mukulu craminga n'agamba nti oba ngabo n'agamba tell me yagala tugende wanga yalukwata yalukraminga kitegeera agenda duyimba leero necha neluli kituufu naye ffe kati muganda wange nze nenja nenzinawo stroke you get nencha nondanga njikola nencha otuka nogamba no
Oh, because true, that's true.
okubeera like monotonous. So that's why omuntu abalina okubeera sober mu mazina. You have to be sober 24/7 so that you can master, because amazina tugamba nti into 1 2 3 4 5 to master that you have to be sober, of course. Tosobola kijjukira because jjukira n'abayimbi abamu atuka neerabira layini ze n'owulira nga ayeberere namala n'apiika. I know. Negative amazina toleka layini nogamba kampikinge mu maaso. No, a routine is a routine from start up to the top. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. I want to thank you personally for supporting the youth, helping the youth. Omanyi omuntu wabera ungali idol. They say an idle mind is the devil's workshop. Omuntu wabera ungali idol ngataina chakola. They tend to do so many crazy things. I thank you so much.
Pause nekirala. Ogambye an idle mind is the devil's workshop, right? Girls are devil's workshop.
Tuleke mnawe.
Bonona buli kimu.
So all of you are abstaining.
We are not abstaining. Of course, we are normal. No, Bade nani? Oli ku manager gomanyira. Hey, gwenno. Ate tonnemesa.
Mulimba, this is the land of milk and honey. Abakazi bonna basibukeno. Nabe muyina eri mukibuga basibukeno.
Babakazi basibukeno kwabola omuntu ali mu kukolako interview.
Tulekemo. Thank you so much for honoring my interview. Keep logged in, keep tuned in. Tonight it's Edwiz concert with John Black at Egypt Motel, and it's going to be lit. Don't go off.